Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Sharma and today we are going to discuss the topic electric current. So first we discuss about electric current. What is the electric current? So electric current is the amount of charge that crosses per unit time in certain surface. Mean charge, how many amount of charge that crosses per unit time. How many time per unit time in certain surface is known as electric current. So now is the what are the source of electricity or electric current? So there are the two source of electric current electricity. First is the cell, second is the battery. So first is definition of cell. A cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Which type of energy? Chemical energy. Which type? Chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. And cells are of the two types. First is the primary cell and second is the secondary cell. So what do you mean by primary cell? Primary cell are those cells which are used once time. जो सिर्फ एक बार यूज किया जाए is known as the primary cell. So primary cell are those cells which are used only once time. These the cells that are used by you in torch, calculator, in your watches, these are the primary cells because these are used once time. Next is the secondary cell. Secondary cells are those cells which are used again and again. Which are used again and again. And it is the example of secondary cell is the solar cell, because solar cell is charged again and again by the solar light and it is used again and again. Next, second is source of electricity is the battery. The combination of two or more cells in series. The combination of the two or more cells in series. For example, like this. This is the one cell, this is the another cell, this is the another cell. Positive, negative. These are the secondary, these are the battery, these are the battery. Now next is the resistor. A resistor is an electrical component that limit or regulate the flow of electrical current in an electrical circuit. Limit or regulate the flow of electric current. बेटा क्या करता है? लिमिट करता है और रेगुलेट करता है. जितना चार्ज उतना आगे पास करता है. द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट इन द इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट इज नोन एज द resistor. Now the ability to reduce the current is known of the resistor is known as the resistance. The ability to reduce the electric current is known as the resistance. और its unit is the ohm. इसमें भी करते हैं resistance को ohm में. This symbol is like that. Now next is the electric current. Their flow. Electric current flow in the electric circuit. Electric current is flow in the electric circuit. So first question is right. What do you mean by electric circuit? Electric circuit. The path flow of electric current is known as electric circuit. The path flow of electric current is path flow of electric current. But it is the path flow of mean रास्ता किसका? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का is known as electric circuit. And these are the two types. These are the two types. Series circuit second parallel circuit. In series circuit like this, The resistors are connected in the chain hall. The resistors are connected in the chain hall. And is blue light. In with the resistor in the chain hall, and these circuits share the voltage. These circuits share the voltage. It do not do the it does not work the properly. Okay. It share the voltage. It share the voltage. If we pass the 6 voltage, then it share the first resistor 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the 3. It takes the 2 voltage. It takes the 2 voltage. It takes the 2 voltage. Total is the 6 voltage. Now second is the parallel circuit. Next circuit is the parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, the head of the resistor are connected with each other and tail of the resistor are connected with each other. So these are the diagram of parallel circuit. Here this is the cell and this is 3 resistor. 1, 2, 3. In this circuit, the resistor does not share the voltage. If we apply the 6 voltage, then every resistor get the 6 voltage. This have the 6 voltage, this have the other 6 voltage, and this have the 6 voltage. In our house, all the electrical component as the parallel circuit are work as the parallel circuit. They are work independently. Okay. So today we discuss about the electric current. The rate flow of charge is known as the electric current. Then after say the source of electricity, a source of electric current, there are the 2 types, cell and battery. Then after resistor, resistance, and last we discuss about the electric circuit and its type. Okay, and have a nice day.